The skeleton is the framework of our body. Without it we would be limp and unable to stand. Certain bones protect our most fragile organs. The cranium houses the brain, the ribs form a cage around the heart and lungs, the spine is the axis of our body, it supports the head and the trunk. Some bones contain bone marrow which make red blood cells, an essential component of our blood. The tallest man in the world was only 1.18 meters tall at 21 years old. His growth accelerated. At 31, he was 2.18 meters tall. At 51, the year of his death, he reached 2.72 meters. (650 in number). Our muscles allow all the movements, expressions and postures of our body: laughing, smiling, blinking, walking, bending, breathing, eating. Some muscles act when we decide to. Others, like the heart, contract automatically. Fortunately, muscles represent almost half of our body weight. A 30 kilograms child has 12 kilograms of muscle. Myopathy is an inherited muscle disease that affects children from an early age. Just to take one step, we use 200 muscles. To have a good development of the muscles, it is necessary to train often and for a long time by following a good food hygiene. Despite all our muscles, we are far from having the strength of an ant. If that were the case, we could lift cars at arm's length. No bigger than a closed fist. The heart is a muscle that circulates blood to all parts of the body. It is made up of two well-separated parts that work like a pump. The right side pumps oxygen from the blood in the lungs and propels it throughout the body. The left side pumps the blood that has delivered oxygen throughout the body and sends it to the lungs to recharge with oxygen. The arteries carry blood from the heart to the whole body. Veins bring blood back to the heart. Our body would contain 96,000 kilometers of blood vessels, which represents more than 2 times around the Earth. In the past, doctors thought that patients suffered from excess blood. They therefore performed bloodletting either by opening a vein with a knife or by applying leeches to it. We need oxygen to live. When we breathe, the air enters through the nose but also through the mouth to reach our lungs. Breathing takes place in 2 stages, inspiration and expiration. When we inhale, the diaphragm, the muscular floor on which our lungs rest, lowers to make room for them. These inflate with air. The oxygen is then absorbed by the blood, which distributes it throughout the body. When we exhale, our lungs expel a waste product, carbon dioxide, which the blood has gotten rid of. The diaphragm lifts and pushes on our lungs to empty. A man managed to hold his breath underwater for 15 minutes and 13 seconds after ventilating his lungs with clean air.
This video is finished, but we will make other videos on the same theme. Do not hesitate to like it, share and subscribe.